Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. So, what I say before we go into this cave, this is back-to-back episode. Today I'm recording back-to-back episode. We're gonna try to get some more stuff done. As you can tell, we got us some bone armor now. Yeah, I think we're good to go in this cave. And we got the flashlight now. I'm gonna see which is better. And I still haven't. Okay, so yeah, it just turns on automatically. Automatically. So I mean, the flashlight ain't bad. Let's go ahead and get our 9mm out. I'm gonna go ahead and. Oh, can you not reload with the? Oh yeah, hold up. That's why it's so bright. So. Sure, I don't miss anything back here. Wait, what? Oh, there's an oxygen tank? What the heck? Oh man, does that mean we're gonna have to... Oh, crap. Wait, why is there nowhere to go in here? Was it just a... Hold on. There's a zip line. I want that rag. Cannot use the zip line. Well, that sucks. We got all ready to come in here. Oh. Anybody? Take that away. We're just gonna leave that burning. We're just gonna burn the forest down. Alright, there was a way. Hold on, let me get rid of all of this. There we go. Oh, that was something I was wanting to show also. You can take them down. So, I guess not that cave yet. Let's just go to the nearest one. Let's go over here. We'll fall down the cliff. I don't want to start that episode out with dying, seeing that we haven't. Surprisingly, which we are playing on normal. I hear somebody walking. Okay, let's just keep on going this way. I don't know where they're at. It could have been just a deer or something like that. I'm just scared. Oh, there they are, right there. You want some of this too? Huh? Oh, you're tough. Oh god. Yeah. 9mm to the face, dude. I hear you. We're just gonna leave that body there. What are they gonna do? Revive him? Oh, I see Kelvin all the way back at the other cave. I forgot that he follows. Ooh. There's some more. Reload. Apparently we can't reload. No, we're out of... Maybe we ought to calm down with the 9mm. Let's attack them. We're out. Give me it back. Yeah. Come at me. See, these guys, Man, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't even know how to block. Where you at? Why are you running? Come back, bro. Oh god, I'm about to... Hold up, I'm at like half health. Let me get some... Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Eat. No. Sorry. Okay, where did they go? I hear them screaming. Okay, I'm gonna have to move this. Because they was freaking out. Oh! Look at that! It's a little... like buggy. Like unicycle thing. Oh, don't worry about me. We're just... Ooh, zipline. I don't want to hit the radio. Bombs? Ugh. There you are. Hi, buddy. Got him. Ha! What's that? Oh. It was... Yep. Hi. How are you? Trying to stab him in the face. Alright, hold up. We need meds. We need... Yeah. Oh, I think this is our last meds. Oh, God. Tell you what I do need while we're doing this. 5. Okay. Where y'all at? Thinking about just taking this unicycle and going. Need some more rope. I want to try to collect. Ooh! There's a shirt. There's a hoodie. Some more cloth. I wanted to see what was... They back? More rope. Anything else? Anything else? Okay, yeah. Oh! Alright, where are we? We're going right through here. Oh my god, this thing's fast. Dang it, we're already stuck. I think one of the cannibals did go this way. Be good to get some sticks with. Dang it! You know... Oh god, this thing jumps so high. I wonder if it takes, like, batteries or what. I mean, more than likely. Oh, yeah, there it went. Come back. Oh, did I destroy it already? There we go. Apparently it's, oh no. I dropped it. Well, come back. Come on. Come to. Come to Papa. Yeah. I got it back. This thing is, get us some shrooms here. Alright, I just want to see, compared to the, I need to go this way. Hey, this thing is waterproof, apparently. Is the only thing about this is going to be traversing. I do want to kind of get it back to our camp, though. It's a big old. There they are. They must be trying to follow me. I murdered their peeps. Really? More? Okay, we're gonna jump it. Really? So I jumped really high a while ago. I kind of was dropping it while we're going deep water. Okay. Now back on course. Oh no. Y'all were probably. Laughing. Okay, this thing kind of sucks. You cannot. I wanted to get it back to my camp, but you know what? Heck with it. I don't need it. We're leaving it. It's on our map. I can see it on our map. If we want to come back and get it off camera, I'll come back and get it off. That's wasting way too much time. Devil's Club. I can hear them. I just kind of really don't want to fight them right now. I'm out of 9 mil. Whoa. Hey-o. Yeah, there they are right there. Stay away from me, please. Ooh, batteries. We got batteries. And a light bulb. What do we need a light bulb for? Oh god, I really don't want to go in this cave without the 9. I need my 9. Let's go in here. Oh, I wanted to do a cave this episode, so we're doing a cave. And actually, put that map away. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get our flashlight out. And we are thirsty, so then we're getting tired. So go ahead and eat us something too. Start up our energy. Let's go ahead, one more energy drink. And then I'm hoping we'll find some more in here. Hopefully. Alright, we are full up. Yeah, look at this. Some meat. That will probably go rotten before. Oh, that's the only thing. We do not have any armor anymore. And I don't like this. Help me. You know, and we probably need to go back. I don't see anything. Is there any? Oh yeah, there's somebody down there. See someone. Oh, I don't like this. Ooh, bone. Fire. Hold up before they come at us. No, I didn't want that. Man, I don't know about y'all, but it's loud on my side. Maybe I need to turn the game down. Just a tad. I'll put that on. Oh god, we're out of tape. Well, I guess one bone armor is better than nothing, huh? What is stronger, the axe? Definitely not the knife. I mean, I don't really want to fight them with a bow. I don't even know where they're... Stop. Okay. Always remember double tap. Hopefully these guys don't hurt so bad. Them other guys hurt. Okay. Ah! How do you block in there? How to block. Ow! Ah! I wasn't watching my health. Crap. There we go. Our first death. Oh. What in the heck? Am I in? Oh! Oh, so it brought us here. And we've got our pack back. So that brought us all the way here. Kind of want, okay, do I have any? Yeah, so I've got some meds. Go ahead and heal up. Yeah. Maybe go back. I know as bad as it sounds. Can I wash off in this? 'Cause I'm dirty right now. I want to go back. Maybe gather. This is what we're looking for. Y'all can see that pretty good. Huh. Nope, nope, that's not that's not what I wanted. If I can hit the right buttons. So I'm guessing it's this ore up here. Okay, I'm guessing it's this right here. I want to say this is where I with just that, yeah. Die. Yeah, you. Stop stabbing in its face. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, I think I hear another one. Don't tell me they all respawn. Use 9mm ammo. Oh, we got slugs, so apparently there's a cross. More slugs. Definitely need the pills. I'm just hanging around here a lot, but I wanted to try to find them other guys. Ah, die! Nope, it don't work. They did all respawn. I don't know. This might have been the lady thing that killed me. Die! Y'all will see why I'm coming back. It's yeah. We're getting warmer. Fine. I think this is the way. That scared the crap out of me. That thing is. Ooh, ooh, bomb. Let's bomb it. Where they at? Quick. Yeah, die, son. Ooh. Ooh. Meaty. Oh, and we gotta walk through it. Ah, Alright. I don't know if there's anything back there. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry right now. I'm just kidding. Ugh, that would be absolutely disgusting. Man, we're already at 20 minutes. This may be a long video right here. I'm just trying to make sure and go back. Hello? But no, I definitely did not want to do that. Oh, hold up before we go into this. I know we've only got like one pack of batteries, but yeah, that was about to die. Oh. I don't want to die again. And I need something that's a little bit more. Now we're gonna wear this. We need something that's stronger. Wouldn't watch my health last time either. God, oh, no. Oh God. Oh no. We're gone. Oh God, that scared the. Oh God. What is that? Run. I need the 9 mil. I need 9 mil. God, I can hear him behind me. I can hear him. I'm not, and my armor's all broken already. I'm sorry, guys, but oh God, I'm not equipped for this. Is he still behind me? Yes, he is. Oh God. Oh no. God, he's fast. I need to go up here. Come on. Oh God. Oh, I'm not. Oh God, I'm out of stamina. Oh God, is he behind me? Oh God, I'm. Oh, come on. Out. Oh, and it's dark. I don't like this. Hopefully he cannot come out of that cave. Alright. I'm... Ugh. That thing was weird. And you know what's sad about it is, like, I was expecting it. Like, I knew that they were in that cave. But, I get rid of that. I'm gonna get something different. Got a little more stamina. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up camp. Here. And probably run back home and tell our mommy that we're too scared to go in there right now. Gosh darn it. Yeah, I know. Oh God, there's somebody down there. Please just leave me alone right now. I just want to build my... I just want to build. Yes, safe. I just want to go back home. Oh, it's Kelvin. Oh. He scared the you know what out of me. I'm trying not to use naughty language. Bad language. I try not to. Get us some meat cooking. I do it every time. I mean, I guess we could put our flashlight away. I mean, I can't see. I know y'all can't see. But, I wonder how long it takes for it to cook. We'll just pick it up. Cooked meat. Yes. It's already cooked. Alright. Because I know we're going to be hungry anyway. Let's go ahead and sleep. Let's get this over with. Huh? Oh. Because there's people around. I got fire starting to go out. No, not the right time. God, y'all just leave me alone. See, okay. Oh God, really? Did I really miss that close? No, you're not. You're not just gonna back away and I'm gonna leave you alone. No, no. Please, God, tell me that was the only two. I don't even know where we're at right now on video-wise. We're at 26 minutes. This was not a good episode. Let me get you on fire. Maybe we'll deter the others by burning. I don't know. They might just get hungry then. I want that. I'll go back and grab it. Build a bonfire out of bodies. Alright, let's see if we can sleep now. Oh, thank God. No, fire went out. I gotta keep on burning. I need armor. I need lots of armor. Oh, but we don't have any. Oh, we got one tape. That is not what I wanted to do. I told y'all I saw it at survival games. Honestly, that thing in there, I'm not ready for it. We're gonna have to find some more 9mm ammo, I want to say. Let's see if we can pick up a couple more bones. I'm not even going to worry about burning this other one. You know what? I'm going to burn it just because. Now we're back in the daytime. Thank God. There's a couple more sticks. I think I'm going to actually leave this camp right here. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Hey, dude. Actually, hold up. I need to take some meds. Before. No! Not Kelvin! You hurt? Kelvin. I'm trying to get a headshot. Come at me, bro. Got it. There's a drop fire. Because I'm out of arrows. It's obvious over here, huh? Right. We're gonna burn you too. I don't even need arrows. Oh, you're good. Okay. Yeah, I know I'm gonna go ahead and get this cooked meat. I bet you Kelvin's hungry. We do have a couple more meds. I mean, I'll not use that energy drink. We do need to build us some more arrows also. I don't want to use that energy drink. We got water right here. What is that? Yeah. Some more printer ink too. Want to do that? I want to get that solar panel on my hand. Some more. Light bulb. Nice. Don't know we're gonna. We're gonna build us a house. We're gonna have electricity to it. He's a berry. Yeah, so we're at 30 minutes. I'm sorry for this episode. We tried going down. Hey, we got the cross though. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna try to. I don't know what. Out there. Looks like where our little motor scooter Kool-Aid my father is. We may end up trying to go to that cave all the way over there. I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna head back home now. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope y'all enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Really helps the channel out. And thank y'all for watching. Bye bye.